Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see what is in store for today, but before we do that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on this video before you leave, and let's get started. And also, if you'd like to hit the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload a video. My upload schedule is every Saturday at 12 p.m. CST. So today, as you saw from the thumbnail, it's going to be September Boxycharm Boxyluxe. You see how big this box is? Wow. So this month's theme is Boxycharm All Access. So in the description box I have a link to where if you want to subscribe to Boxycharm, where you get a box every month, you can just do the regular box, or you can upgrade to get the Boxyluxe every 3 months, and the regular box on the other months. But yeah, so I get Boxyluxe. So every 3 months I'll get the bigger box. So first we have this Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping Palette. It's got eyeshadows and like bronzer kind of shades in it. This is the outer packaging. And this is what the actual component looks like. Pretty much the same. This is $45. So this is what it looks like on the inside. As you can see, neutral shades and bronzers at the bottom. You could also use these shades if you wanted to possibly fill in your brows and things like that. That was kind of like a tip that the Boxycharm team gave you, was if you wanted to maybe fill in your brows with some of the colors, or you could possibly use like the lightest shade right here. If you were my skin tone, it's like a matte shade. You could use that to like set your under eye or something like that. Or if you're a deeper skin tone, you can use the lighter bronzers to set your face and things like that. So yeah. And what I also thought was cool was that it came with a little pamphlet on the inside of like a couple different looks that you could do. Like here's 2 of the looks, like a more natural one, a little more smoky, and then the one on the back is like more intense smoky. So it just kind of gives you an idea of like shades you can use. I might possibly try to recreate a couple of these. I'm not sure which ones yet, but yeah, so I'll look into this a little more and try to recreate what they have in here. So next is the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. So you're supposed to put this on your face before you go to bed, and it's supposed to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation, which I love because, as you see, I have rosacea. I used it last night. I mean, my face is kind of red right now, but it did seem like it did soothe the redness a little bit. It's only my first time trying it, so also I want to mention things that work for me may not work for you. Things that work for you may not work for me. That's just how makeup and skincare works. And for skincare products, you got to use them more than once to like know how you really feel about them. So most of the stuff will be like first impression wise. And I'll keep you guys updated in like future favorites videos. So if you don't hear something mentioned, maybe I didn't like it, it may be in the fails part of that video. But so far, first using it, seems okay. And this is what the actual component looks like. She cute. So there's a couple things I'm not gonna be able to use in this video because they are like skincare products like that where I have already used them, or yeah, so some of the stuff I'll be able to use, some of it won't, and one thing's not skincare or makeup, so I'll get into that too. So next we have the Hank & Henry Blickety Black Eyeliner. So this is a like felt tip eyeliner. It's supposed to be long wearing and transfer resistant, so we'll have to see about that. Then we have the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick, and this one is in the shade Patina Shimmer. The Stila Liquid Lip is $22, and the Hank & Henry eyeliner is $20, and the sleeping mask was $52, which is what I showed you before right here. So next we have the IGK Mistress Hydrating Balm. It's a leave-in conditioner balm that won't weigh your hair down. This is $29. So this is a like hair balm that's supposed to help with dry, coarse, or frizzy hair, and it'll help smooth, soften, and hydrate hair. You can apply it to damp or dry hair and then air dry or blow out. It's cruelty-free, UV protection, things like that. I actually used it yesterday with dry hair and today with wet hair. I mean, I used 12 Benefits. I've talked about it before in favorites videos. That's normally what I use for my hair for my like frizziness and like dead ends. But I'm going to try to use this. This is the second time I've used it. I used it last night and today. It seems to make my hair pretty shiny. Maybe it takes a while to like actually get the, like you got to use it for a little while to see results, because I mean, it is helping a little bit the last couple times with the frizziness. So that's nice. And it's really humid today, and normally my hair is like a big mess, like it's raining outside. So yeah, that's a good sign. But I'll have to keep trying that out, and that was $29. So I'm not going to be using that in this video because I've already put it on. This is another product that I'm not going to be able to use. Sorry guys. The Spongel Mani Pedi Treatment Set. I didn't think you guys would want to see me use this on my hands and my feet. But basically it is supposed to treat dry hands and tired feet. So there's like these little scrubbers on the inside. I really like the Spongel like actual sponge to use like as soap on the body, but these are what they look like, and you scrub your hands and feet with them. I haven't used them yet, so that's something that I'm gonna have to try off camera and let you guys know about. And that is $18. Next is the Sunday Riley Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. This is a moisturizer. It's supposed to help hydrate and plump the skin. It's supposed to help visibly brighten appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. I've heard a lot of beauty YouTubers rave about that. I actually used it today for the first time, and it didn't like irritate my skin. Sometimes skincare products or even makeup products or like really anything, I have really sensitive skin, so sometimes it irritates me. I didn't have an issue with the hair product or the sleeping mask or the Sunday Riley product so far, and that's $65. Next is the Moda 8-piece brush set for $69.99, so basically $70. There's some face brushes and some eye brushes and things like that. So this is what the packaging looks like, and those are the brushes on the back. I'll show you guys one right now because I already have them out, but this is what the big face brush looks like. So they have like this black textured handle with the silver right here, and then the brush. So that's what they look like. All of them look the same except for they're smaller and different sizes for what they're supposed to do. And last but not least, I think one of my favorite things, the Clean Skin Water Bottle Infuser. So basically it's a 32-ounce water bottle, $17.95. Basically it's a water infuser, so what you can do is put like fruit or right now I'm using it and I have fruit in it, as you can see, but the fruit goes into this little filter thing and then disperses it into the water so that the fruit's not everywhere. You can, like I said, you could put fruit in there, or I put a tea bag in, like 2 tea bags in the diffuser part, and like it soaked into the water and made tea. You could put vegetables, you can put whatever you want in there really, but yeah, I'm really liking it so far. It's really cute. It's got like this little latch right here so you can't take the lid off. Then you push the button and it opens. Take a drink. And it's got a cute little carrier to where you can like carry it on your finger whenever you're going places, taking it, traveling with it. I like this also because it's like a grip to where like when you're holding on to it to take a drink. It also has it on the other side too. But yeah, so Yum. So those are all the products that I got in the Boxyluxe. So I'm really excited to use these. So most of this stuff, like I said, I can't use on camera. So the products that I am going to use is the Stila liquid lipstick, which is gorgeous. You see the shade right here. The Hank & Henry eyeliner. The Tarte palette. And of course the Moda brushes. Everything else I won't be able to use on camera. Kind of explained why. But yeah, so those are the products that I'm actually going to be able to use in the video. So I'm really excited about that. I'm just trying to open this Hank & Henry eyeliner, get all the plastic off of it so that we can actually see what she looks like. Still looks the same, just had the plastic on it. And that's the felt tip. So yeah, really excited. They told us to shake it up in the video that they made talking about these products because that helps get the product to the tip of the applicator. So do that now, even though I'm going to be putting on like eyeshadow and stuff just in case I forget later. So just to be crazy, I'm just going to start off by using the lipstick. I have tried this formula before. Very pretty. It smells really good too. I've never actually tried like this shade or a shimmer shade from them. It's been a while since I've tried this formula, but I do think that I ended up liking it. So I think I'm going to go in with the 2 on the inside. Maybe we'll save this one for a different video or a different day, or I can just try it out on my own, but let's try these 2 looks out. So it says to take Journey into the crease. And that is this shade right here. I've not tried any of Tarte's eyeshadows before. I only tapped in like once. And I've never tried these specific Moda brushes, so hopefully they both work out. I didn't put any eyeshadow primer down or anything. Now press Solstice all over the lid to brighten and open the eye. So that is this shade right here. And then use Terracotta to define the outer crease. Oh, that is the bronzer shade down here. And then it says to apply stone in the lower lash line, which is this shade right here. Voila, that's this look. Cute. So the next look says to press dunes all over the lid. So this is dunes right here. Then it says take the shade Smoke, which is right there, and smudge that onto the top and bottom lash line. And then it wants us to highlight the brow bone with sand. I did a little on the inner corner too. And that's the other look. What do you guys think? So far I've got to use 3 of the 8 brushes, the eye brushes, They seem like they work pretty well, and this palette seems like it performs really well also, so that's nice. Definitely be using these more. Still feels a little sticky like when I go like that, but it's completely dried down. It looks stunning. So now let's try this Hank and Henry eyeliner. I don't do eyeliner very often, but seems like a pretty color. Seems like it went on pretty easily and looks good with both the looks. So I'm definitely gonna have to try out the rest of these brushes in a future video at some point, but using those three, they seem like they're pretty good brushes. I've used Moda brushes before and they performed really well. This palette seems to perform really well. I haven't used the bronzers as actual bronzers, so I'll definitely have to try that in a separate video also. But so far so good. I mean, everything seems nice and makeup wise and non-makeup wise. For the skincare stuff, I'm definitely gonna have to keep trying it out, but everything so far so good. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions, please comment them down below and check the description box for more information about the video. My Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are @GlamGirlGray. See you next time.